How to add follow button on Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, if I go and check my Facebook profile, you will see that the follow button is not there. There's only the messaging button. So in order for me to enable the follow button, what I need to do is go ahead and open up Facebook and then click on the three lines at the top right, then go to my settings, and here you need to scroll down to the audience and visibility section, and from there click on followers and public content. And here you can see the first section says who can follow me, and this option is set to friends, meaning that only your friends can see the follow button, but we will set it to public. And this way, as you can see, the settings have now been updated so that the follow button will appear to everyone, even strangers and non-friends. And once the settings has been updated, I can go back and check whether it's true or not. So I will refresh the page, and as you can see, the follow button has just appeared on the profile next to the messages. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add and enable the follow button on your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.